we're back now.
Vai, tipo,
Oh my god! I need to unfreeze my card and it's not letting me. You don't love me anymore. Just because the connection's bad. I need to find someone that has good connection. I only want to... I'm just trying to take out £69. I don't know why it's so hard. Yeah, he's at work. No, I can unfreeze it. It's just because the connection's bad. How are you? We missed you. I'm okay. How are you?
Where? I'm a big brother. Come on, wait, what are you doing there?
£69. What's £69 in Jamaican dollars? 14,000. I'm frozen now. I'm okay, how are you?
Mega dollar. Why not take?
I finally unfroze my bank card one. It took me ages. I was walking around everywhere trying to. Hi.
Yeah.
Who's on live? I need to run some battles. I can't believe I've only got £69 to my name, darling. I'm not at an apartment. Hi.
Don't hide me, your mouth you are.
Huh?
Me and you ain't friends no more, babe.
I can't even hear her, man.
I got muted.
What she doing?
Done. Yeah.
I don't know what she's saying. Everyone tap the screen, please. See you, thank you. No, I'm not I'm not staying at an apartment. I'm staying at Victor.
Hi, doctors.
Hi.
Hello. How are you?
I might like it. Millie tried to do her hair. I can't. I've only got £69 to my name, babe. I'm waiting in the line to cash it out right now. I need to use it to go get something to eat. And a taxi back home. Yeah. No, I'd be so stressed. £69. Yeah. I'm waiting in a line so I can withdraw money from my cash bank. Like a day, 2 days. Red carpet, thank you. No, he basically scammed me. So I had nowhere to go, and he tried to say that the 4 days that I was there, I had to then pay for that, because when he was speaking to me the day before, his voice was on TikTok and people was messaging him and stuff, and he didn't appreciate it. He said he was doing me a favor, but now that his voice was all over TikTok, he was like, basically like, I'm not helping you now. Yeah, I was outside for ages, man. It was so long. I was outside for like the whole day. I had no internet. I couldn't contact no one. It was long. I had all my bags outside, everything. And I went in some random guy's car. He's like, oh, I'll take you where you need to go. And then we were just driving around trying to get like signal. And he was hotspotting me. Yeah, it was mad. It was mad. Yeah, he took all of the money that I sent him to pay for the new apartment. Hi. Yeah, I am staying with Butcher now. Yeah, I know, he finessed me, mom. So
Millie, you need to understand, yeah? If you're not listening to me, you need to go and get like a doctor to look at your neck again. Cause it doesn't look right. Maybe you had a allergic reaction. Yeah, angles, but you need to go and you need to go and check you haven't had an allergic reaction. Millie! I'm trying to help. I'm trying to fucking help. And you know what? Yeah, I know, a nose, even look at your nose, Millie. You've been beaten up. Your nose.
First gift is doubles, guys. Everyone tap the screen. Oh. I needed to do that. Thank you, Princess. Everyone tap the screen, guys. not staying in an accommodation. We need 3 roses, guys, by 3 different people.